looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found, it's too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want too much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let's say we're crazy, talking about it. Put your hand in mine, baby, don't ever look back. With the world around us just fall apart, baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm too glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do.
Let's say we're crazy, what do they know? Put your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. If the world around us just fall apart, maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you.
All that I ever need,
And all that I want to do is hold you forever, forever and ever. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
nothing's gonna
And we
stop
can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
surprised. The times that we owns are over now. I'm standing alone, still needing someone who suddenly swept the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind, we'll sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind, we'll sweep the night away. Makes a difference to walk in a dream, 'cause probably you change your mind. I just can't figure it out. And as minutes pass day by day, spinning searching for a reason you ain't gone. You say to me I can't get my blood in veins. And by the look in your eyes, I knew it's surprise. The times that we own are over now. I'm standing alone, still needing someone who suddenly swept the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind, we'll sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind, we'll sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind, we'll sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind, we'll sweep the night away.
Stuck on you, I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I didn't understand. I'm stuck on you, in a pool so long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait the run for a man like me. Yes, I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. Oh, leaving on down midnight train tomorrow. And I know that's where I'm going. I packed up my troubles and I told him all away. This is I'm leaving, darling. I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul and I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Need a friend, head away up and now. I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Not if you to stay.
Ayan, so pangururay na po, dagiti bisitas pay. Mangipaay kami man apo ti may nga balset a sumalaman apo dagiti bisbisitas tayo nga agkakapintas, agkakataraki apo nga dadito yan tata. O, dito yung apo ti wayayo nga sumala ti balset. Nanangaro na apo dagiti naggapo apo iti balas yun na aw. And once again, we are the Sweet Blend Band. Ayan, sa sumala apo dagiti maya. Isang mapakapiyagan, amor mo ray dagito'y mata. Luisot di makaagas, mangluliwat to'y tapunan.
Okay, dance mo po.
Isang maduti sa wena, at hangin sa mamakagura. At hangin sa narin, wena ka, kaya sa mamagustugan ka.
Uray ada aming kanyak harigan, uray pa'y nuwang pupuntutak, uray pa'y nuwang paspasok nudak, nuis man nakriknak mapagmaya. Isem, umisip ka man biyag ko, lawlawag ka man tuy barukong ko. Naisip mo, isip mangay ayo, dahil pusok na buwan tilindo. Isip mapakapiyagan, amor muray dagito'y mata. Luisot di makaagas, mangliliwat to'y kaungga. Isip maduti sa wena, at isip mamakagura. At isip maray awena ka, yan isip mamagustukin ka. Uray at aming kanyak harigan, uray pa'y nuwag pupungtutak, uray pa'y nuwag paspasok nudak, nuis man nakriknak mapagmaya. Isem, umiisip ka man biyak ko, lawlawag ka man tuy barukong ko. Naisip mo, isut mangay ayo, dahil di pusok ng antilindo. Isem, umisip ka man biyak ko, lawlawag ka man tuy barukong ko. Naisip mo, isut mangay ayo, dahil di pusok ng antilindo. Okay, can we dance another waltz? Idi tiempo tigaan, ken rabi analinaaw, intanto na dwa akas natarnaw, agkanta higit jay bye-bye. Idi nalaos sa kagar ko, nudumtin kastoy at tempo, at tugaw ka so much po sa mga sumayaw. Gagaling ng mga bisita natin.
And sa another cha-cha naman po tayo. While waiting for
Okay,
the
para
other
po sa
guests.
mga mahilig dyan sa cha-cha at nasa bantay, pwede po tayong sumayaw.
Cha-cha!
Cha-cha! Bala chili cha-cha, bala chili cha.
Señorita.
Dancing chili, cha-cha-cha, bala chili cha-cha. Feel your body hot, you get a nice shot.
Cha-cha-cha.
Feel your body, shake your body hot. Sing
One
it!
more time.
Bala chili
Come on,
cha-cha,
brother.
bala chili cha.
Let's go.
Dancing chili, cha-cha-cha, bala chili cha-cha. Feel your body hot, you get a nice shot.
Cha-cha-cha.
Feel your body, shake your body hot. Let's go!
Cha-cha.
Okay! Saya po tayong lahat! Yeehaw! Here we go! Bala bala chili cha-cha señorita. Bala bala chili cha-cha si señor.
Give you another chance. You can clap your hands. Check your body, chili cha-cha dance.
Let's go! Bala 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 bala.
Dancing, 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 dance, dance. So feel your body hot. You got another shot. Now you can dance the chili cha-cha style.
Ay, 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 the chili cha-cha muy bonito. Ay, 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 cuando sienta el corazón. Ay, 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 the chili cha-cha calentito. Ay, 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 ay.
Todos ni van así, señor.
Chili cha-cha, sí.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
Bala chili cha-cha, bala chili cha.
Señorita.
Dancing chili cha-cha-cha, bala chili cha-cha. Feel your body hot, you get a nice shot. Feel your body, shake your body hot. Bala chili cha-cha, bala chili cha. Dancing chili cha-cha-cha, bala chili cha-cha. Feel your body hot, you get a nice shot. Feel your body, shake your body hot. Let's go!
Bala, 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 and bala, and dancing, 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 dance, dance. So feel your body hot. You got another shot. Now you can dance the chili cha-cha style.
Ay, 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 the chili cha-cha calentito. Ay, 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 lo siento en el corazón. Ay, 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 the chili cha-cha calentito. Ay, 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 ay.
Todos ni van así, señor.
Chili cha-cha, sí, cha-cha-cha.
Yeah, so once again, thank you so much for. Balse po? Sige po. O, balse ka naman na po. Sumalang nga rod amin apong at dadi tita tatap no napimbintas apong ang kitaan nga agraragsak tayo apong. Okay, so another balse po. Dance for all man na po.
Another dance for all, another waltz. Di dala mo rigat at trabaho. Agraman pa'y Domingo, rigrig at na palalo. Dito'y haway kapsat ko, narigat na tuog biag jay haway. Trabaho akan ganayo, duwag surat ni kabagyan dumawat, ibaganat kayat na agatad. Agriing ka mangrig na ka kabagyan, sursurwim kay agtrabaho. Di mo sasakluten dakulap mo, tapnon rumangay biyag mo. Di dala mo rigat at trabaho. Di bayen pima makut-kut di na mudo. Agraman pa'y Domingo, rigrig at na palalo. Dito'y haway kapsat ko. Okay, thank you so much po sa mga sumayaw. Okay, meron po tayong isang special request. Yung mga nakakaalam po ng AK Breaky Heart.
LA Walk daw po. Okay, so another dance for all po. The achy breaking heart. Okay, come on everybody. Let's dance.
Okay, amin kayo po. Makamuy di. LA Walk, AK Breaky Heart.
Ayan. Mga mamsi, come on, come on. Magkailangan po wat-wat na gini bagbagi tayo.
You can tell the world you never was mine, girl. You can buy my clothes when I'm gone, or you can tell your friends just one phone pen, and I'll enjoy my body on the phone. You can tell my arms, go back to the farm. You can tell my feet to eat the floor, or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they were perishing after you no more. But don't you can tell my eyes to wander for my mind. It might be walking out of me today. But don't tell my heart, my aching, breaking heart, I just don't take it understood. Have to tell my heart, my aching, breaking heart, he might blow up and kill this man. One more time. The tones of my heart, my aching, breaking heart, I just don't take it understood. Have to tell my heart, my aching, breaking heart, he might blow up and kill this man.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Tayo po tayong lahat.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ayan, sasabay-sabay po tayong lahat. Happy birthday to you. Yung once again, happy 90th birthday, Mother Anita! Ayan, so pumalakpak naman po tayong lahat. Ayan, so we are here po dahil po ito ang special day, special celebration ni Ma'am Anita. So asan po ang ating MC? Sir Charm.
Five, four, three, two, 1, 0.
And now, let the show begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
You remember 21st night of September. Love is changing the minds of pretenders while chasing the clouds away.
Check, check.
Five, four, three, two, one, zero.
And now, let the show begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host,
You remember 21st night of September. Love was changing the minds of pretenders while chasing the clouds away.
Yeah, once again, happy 90th birthday, Mother Anita. Ayan, so thank you so much for having us po. And once again, we are the Sweet Blend Band. So while waiting for the official program to start, we're going to sing once again another song, another oldies. Together again, my tears have stopped falling. The lonely nights are now at an end. The key to my heart, you hold it in your hand, but nothing else matters. Now we're together again. Together again. The gray skies are gone. You're back in my arms, right where you belong. The love that I knew is leaving again, and nothing else matters. Now we're together again.
I can't stop loving you. So I made up my mind to live in memory of such an old lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life and dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours
Those happy hours
that we once knew, done long ago. heals a broken heart. But time has stood still since we've been apart.
And so once again, thank you so much, Bob.
Baby, when I met you, there was peace and known. I said to get you in a fight to come. I was so inside, there was something going on. You did something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on. Tender love is blind, it requires a dedication. All this love we feel needs no conversation. We ride it together, making love with each other, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another.
I can live without you if the love was gone. Everything is nothing. You got no one. You're just walking tonight, slowly losing sight of the real thing.
But that would happen to us, and we got no doubt. Too deep in love, and we got no way out. And the message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing.
No more will you cry,
baby, I will hurt you never. We started and as one, in love forever. We can ride it together, making love with each other, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Sail away. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Islands in the spring, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. From one lover to another.
So at this juncture, may I request all the guests and visitors to please occupy the seats that are intended for you, sir. And inuulit ko po, tinatawagang pansin po lahat po ng bisita na nasa labas na pwede na po tayong pumasok, and we will now formally start the celebration. So at this juncture, we would like also to acknowledge the presence of our Municipal Vice Mayor, Ray M. Elaido II and SPM Beverly Elaido. Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. So this time, good morning everyone, and on behalf of the family, it is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this very special occasion as we celebrate the 90th birthday of our beloved Nanang Anita. Today, we are not only celebrating a birthday, but also honoring a life filled with love, faith, wisdom, and countless blessing. So reaching 90 years is a truly remarkable milestone, and we are grateful to have all of you here to share this memorable day with us. So napakalaking blessing na po na na-meet ni Mami Anita yung 90 years old, and we don't know and nobody else can tell what is her future, kung ilang taon po tayo tatagal dito sa mundo, and Mami Anita is blessed for that. So your presence is wonderful gift to Nana Anita and to the entire family. Thank you for being here. And at this juncture, may I now invite everyone to settle comfortable as we begin our program. And to begin our celebration, let us first thank God for His abundant blessing, and may I invite Reverend Father Raymond Ancheta to lead us in the opening prayer. May I request everyone to please stand? Thank you.
Tinagan ti Ama, ti Anak, ti Espiritu Santo. Mami na ilangitan, nagdaydayo ka nagyaman kami ken ka. Iti amin nga kinimbag mo, kangrunan na ti panangispal mo kada kami, manipod tirungsot ti bagyo nga naglabas. Pagyamanan mi ti amin, kangrunan na ti sagot ti biyag, nga impay mo ken antinita. Siya mapulo nga tawen, nga panangited mo ken kuana, ken panangipariknam ken kuana ti ayat. Kired ken pamaregta, dawaten mi apo ken kuana baben metlaing tinainain panangibabet ni Birhen Santa Maria, pamendisyon mo ti sangkailyan nga San Esteban, nga iso nga nagserbian na met, kabayatan ti kinapigsana. Dawaten mi apo ti panang ted mo ken kuana ti napnuan biyag nga ayat, nga may ted na may paay na ti uneg ti pamilya na. Kidawen mi apo ti pamakawan mo, kadagiti nagkurkurangan kay nagbasbasulan mi, kangrunan na, bendisyonam dayti nga talaong, nga nakaibilangan mi, tapno iti kasta marik nami ti pammateg mo. Bendisyonam met dagiti taraon nga waten mi, gapu ken Kristo nga anak mo ken apo mi.
Thank you, Father. You may now take your seat. So this time, it is my pleasure to invite Ma'am Estela Imperial to deliver the welcome message.
Naimbag nga daw tayo amin na po. Ket amok nga kwata orasen ket agalas 12. So hangko nga baybayagenen. Ket agyaman kami apo ta adda kay amin nga simbang baymet nga umay mang celebrar di birthday ni Mother Mi. 90 years old na po. Ket agyaman kami kinapo ta inted na ti inaming agbyag ti 90 nga tawen. Ket I welcome you all. Ket madamdamag sa sala tayo amin. Enjoy apo de panangan tayo madamdama oray no basit laeng at least adda pang kami ken ni Mother Mi. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for those warm and inspiring words, Ma'am. So this time, one of the greatest blessing in life is to be surrounded by a loving family. So at this time, I will now invite the members of the family. First is Ma'am Florenita Imperial to give her message. And of course, birthday wishes to our celebrant.
Nabigla naman po ako, no? So for the benefit po of our friends from Manila who came from the US, Ate Terry, Ate Normie, Heights, Jeff, and where's the other Jeff? Friends po sila ni na Jonaline, so magtatagalog po tayo para maiintindihan po nila. Ano po? So gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat-lahat po na nandito ngayon para makipag-celebrate sa birthday ng aming mahal na ina. Ako po yung panganay na anak. Yeah. I'm the eldest po, pero ako po yung mukhang pinakabata. Sa totoo lang, mamaya po, makikita nyo yung mga kapatid ko, pero sasabihin nyo, oy, siya yung parang pinakamabata sa lahat, totoo yun. She's the youngest, pero look at her hair. Look at her hair. She's the youngest. So ako po yung panganay. Ako ng panganay na anak, and I've already retired also from the government service. So I worked po for 40 years at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines as director po of the Budget Services Office. So I'm very thankful po sa pangangalaga ng aming mahal na ina at yung aming mahal na ama na wala na po sa ating piling ngayon. Tatay, tatang, sana ipagdadasal mo kami lagi for our health, success in the family, peace, lahat na po. At nanang, happy 90th birthday. We love you. Okay. So salamat po. nabigla po ako doon. Hindi ko alam na may ganito. So siguro, I don't know, Sir Riddell, who's the next?
Thank you very much, ma'am, for that emotional message to our birthday celebrant. So there's time. Get ready rin po kay Ma'am Jonaline Imperial Bernas for your birthday wishes to your loving mother.
Hi, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for coming, for joining us to celebrate my mom's birthday, 90th birthday. Thank you very much. And then for my mother, Nanang, I love you so much. Thank you for taking good care of my 3 kids when they were still young. But we still miss you. I hope you can come back with us in California. And to Vice Mayor Elaido and the Sangguniang Bayan members and our friends and families, thank you very much for joining us for this day. Okay, have a great day and let's enjoy. We're gonna be dancing together later on, okay? Bye!
Thank you very much, ma'am. Let's dance together. So mamaya po yan, mag-enjoy po tayo sa dance floor. So this time, Ma'am Rowena Imperial Osborne.
First of all, I would like to welcome you all for joining us in this 90th birthday party of my mom. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagdalo. For my mom, you know how much I love you. Happy birthday, nanan ko. Hindi ko na ho hahabaan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. Happy birthday, Nanang.
Once again, a very emotional message to our birthday celebrators. So this time, Mr. Archibald Imperial.
Nang, happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Very short, pero puno po yon ng feelings. So this time, for the last message to be given to us by Sir Jordan Bernas.
I wrote it down, okay? I could remember it in my head. Okay, everyone say their names first.
So, hello po. Total wala po yung ate naming panganay. Siya po yung unang apo, si Ate Janine. Nasa Maryland po siya ngayon. So, ako po yung pangalawa na apo ni Nanang. Nang, happy birthday. Love you. Mwah. Tapos, ito po, pangalawang apo. Pangatlo.
Nang, happy birthday!
Hi everyone, I'm Nanang's 4th grandchild, Jenna Rose. Nang, happy birthday, love you!
Hi everyone, I'm Justin. I'm the 2nd youngest. Happy birthday, Nang. All right, I'm up here. My name is Jordan. I'm the favorite grandchild out of all of them. But I want to say is, we want to say happy birthday to you, Nanang. Thank you for always being there for us, supporting us. She has raised us all since we were little. We're grateful to have all the memories that we made together. We love her so much, and we're grateful to be here for your birthday. We wish you good health, joy, and more birthdays. We love you so much, Nanang. I hope this birthday is special and wonderful as you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the great-grandchildren and grandchildren of Mami Nanay Anita. And now it is time for one of the sweetest moments of today's celebration, the birthday cake ceremony. May I invite Nanang Anita and her family to gather around the birthday cake. So yung kanyang mga anak po, relatives po, apo, and great-grandchildren ni Mami Anita, proceed now on the sides of our birthday cake for the birthday song by the
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Yan, so sabay-sabay po tayong lahat. Happy birthday to you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a resounding round of applause to our birthday celebrator. So this time, hold your eagerness a little longer because we will now have the birthday wishes coming from our active Vice Mayor of the Municipality of San Esteban, no other than Honorable Ray M. Elaido II. A resounding round of applause.
Thank you, Widel. Happy birthday, Nana Anita. Amo yun ni Nana Anita way back 1988 nang rogi iti pinagserbi na dito iitay nga San Esteban. Manutawin ko, idi inemplitawin ko. So nga pasitak pala idi, ay, dakkelak idin, ngem ubingak pa, itadakkel matibagik idi. So, 1988 to 1995. 6 years, 2 terms, iti hinapanagtake makas konsehal or sanggunyan ba member ti iti San Esteban. Tagyaman kami nana, iti contribution mo. Iti ingka pinangitet iti oras kaya na sirib mo nga nang may isa ka nagpanday dinteg ti na duma-duma ng ordinansa kada resolution dito iilite nga San Esteban. Amuyo kami iti 1988 ket manggugugi pala ti San Esteban Awan pala ti anyang pondo, awan ti anyang pagalaan no di takalkalpas nga got iti EDSA People Power. Kaya nag-aasat tayo, dada nga ng TED iti oras da tapno detoy ili tayo hangag baling nga kastoy no awan iti contribution dagiti mununa nga nagbaling opisyales ti ili tayo. Ti Mayor idi ken Uncle Chessy damo na. So happy birthday nana, happy 90th birthday. Adan sa ti regalo ti national ken ka. Ada awatem sa manut awatem na charm. Ya. 10,000 niya. Oh. Dahil ti gaputi gobyerno. Kaya jakamuno danto ti awatem met no gaputi probinsya. Ninto oskahet iti makamumang follow upen. Dahil ni katuganga ni Mami. Kaya kastan, thank you ti dahito yung oras nga pinang-imbitaryo ti Numutibiyang. Taurin no agsakit ti Sakak, umayak na ta. Very special ni Nana Anita kanya. Kaya dispensaran niyo po, tanga makaumay ni Mayor. Adadjay iso na vegan. Basta kami no Sabado, Domingo ket adadjay iso na yan ti pamilya ti asawa na. Kaya kastan na po, thank you. And more birthdays to come nana. Sapay kumata magunod, madanon muntupay. Iti 100 years old, tas may sakanto ka centenaryan. Tili nga San Esteban. Diyos unay tagina po.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a resounding round of applause to our Honorable Vice Mayor, Ray M. Elaido II. Okay, sa mga other members of the family, get ready with your message because later on, I will call you one by one. Yung ating mga members of the family din po, relatives and friends, of course. So before we enjoy the delicious meal prepared for us, let us once again bow our heads in prayer. So may I invite again our Reverend Father Raymond Ancheta for the blessings of the food. May I request again everyone to please stand.
Tinagan ti Ama ken ti Anak ket ti Espiritu Santo. Amen. Mami na ilangitan, dawatan mi apo ti pamendisyon mo kadagitoy tarawan ng kang pagsasangwan. Bendisyon namida, sapay kumata makaited dati kired ken sariked-ked kada kami. Nga mangitultuloy ngagserbiken ka, ti oneg ti pamilya, ken ti oneg ti gimong nga nakayaban mi. Ited mo kada kami, ti pigsa, babayan kadagitoy tarawan nga awaten mi. Gapumetlaing ken Kristo ng anak mo ken apo mi. Amen.
There you have it. May you now take your seat and the food is now will serve. Okay, so as per requested by the family, I will call the number of your table and proceed on the center stage for picture taking and proceed po tayo agad sa ating buffet area. So I repeat, I will call your table number and take a picture at the center stage and proceed to the buffet area. So may I request table 1, please. Table number 1. Ay, sorry, ma'am. Please stand, table number 2. Para mas madali po yung flow ng ating pag-proceed because we have two-way. I think we have two-way on the buffet area. So, table number 2. You can now proceed on the buffet area po. Proceed na po tayo, sir. Doon. Please stand, table number 3.
Wherever you go,
So while having our pila, the sweet blend, Mr. and Mrs. Tordado will entertain
surely you
us.
know I always wanna be there, holding your hand, standing back to catch you when you fall, seeing you through, and everything you do. Let me be there in your morning.
Table number 4, please stand and we will now take the picture.
Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. Only ask you is let me be there, watching you grow and going through the changes in your life. That's how I know I always wanna be there. Never you feel
Table number 5, please
you
stand
need a friend to
and take a
love.
picture.
Here I am whenever you call. You know I'll be there. Let me be there in your morning. Let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you to the wonderland that
Table number
only two
6.
can share. Only ask you and let me be there. And we have also the presence of Honorable Sangguniang Bayan member Sir Marvin Ong. Hello po, sir. Let me be there in your morning. Let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right.
Table number 8.
Let me take you to the wonderland that only two can share. Only ask you is let me be there. Only ask you is let me be there.
Table number 9. Po.
I realize the way your eyes deceive me. With tender looks that I miss you for love. So take away the flowers that you gave me and send the paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how will those roses seem to be? But they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. I thought that you would be a perfect lover. You seem so full of sweetness at the start, but like a big red roses that made of paper, there isn't any sweetness in your heart. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how will those roses seem to be? But they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how will those roses seem to be? But they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how will those roses seem to be? But they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, how I wish you're here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come on, darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, how I wish you're here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come, my darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me kissing on the bar, hugging on the boat, holding hand in hand down the avenue, strolling down the lane with castle in the air, a kissing, a loving, a kissing, a loving, a kissing all night long. They said I'm only sweet 16, I never been kissed, I never been loved, and all I want is candy. Ice cream, taggy got a lollipop, riding on the sun. A lot of things we do, whispering to my ears, and I love you so. Strolling down the lane with castle in the air, a kissing, a loving, a kissing, a loving, a kissing all night long. They said I'm only sweet 16, I never been kissed, I never been loved, and all I want is candy. Ice cream, daddy, got a lollipop. Stupid Cupid, you're a roaming guy. I like to clip your waist so you can fly. I'm in love, it's a crying shame, and I know that you're the one to blame. Oh, hey, hey, set me free. The stupid Cupid's the begging on me. I can't do my homework, I can't think straight. I mention every morning about past 8. I'm acting like a lovesick fool. He's even got me carrying books to school. Oh, hey, hey, set me free. This stupid Cupid's a begging on me. It makes me act that good right from the very start. Hey, go play Robin Hood with somebody else's. You got me jumping like a crazy clown, and I don't feed you what you're putting down. Said I guess his loving lips of wine. The thing that bothers me is like it fine. Oh, hey, hey, set me free. It's so big, Cupid, stop begging on me.
Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while I live right above you. I can hear music playing, I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me, I love you. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you meet me in the hallway. Twice on the pipe means you ain't kinda sure. If you look at your window tonight, pull on the string with the note that attached to my heart. With how many times I saw you, how I must always say adore you. Only in my dreams is that wall between us come apart. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you meet me in the hallway. Twice on the pipe means you ain't gonna show. I can hear music playing, I can feel your body swaying. One floor below me, you don't even know me, I love you. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, twice on the pipe if the answer is no. Oh my sweetness means you meet me in the hallway. Spice on the pipe means you ain't gonna show.
Tell me when will you be mine? Tell me quando we can share a love divine. Take it out, bro. Please don't make me wait again. When will they say yes to me? Tell me quando you mean happiness to me. Oh my lover, tell me when. Every moment's today. Every day seems a lifetime. Let me show you the way to a joy beyond compare. I can wait a moment more. Tell me quando say it's me that you adore. And then darling, tell me when. Every moment's a day. Every day seems a lifetime. Let me show you the way to a joy beyond compare. Ayan, so makisabay kami na apo nga ag-lunch kanyayo. So once again apo, awan pa'y ti pumanpanaw, taag sa sala, agraragsak kayo pa'y apo damdama. And once again, we are the Sweet Blend Band, Mr. Narvi Dasalia, and Mr. and Mrs. Carda. Manipo da apo ti Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur. Thank you so much. Apo ma'am, thank you.